So guys, it has been raining all of a sudden, cats and dogs, because it was in the weather prediction that there is going to be like a thunderstorm. Look at those mountains, you cannot even see anything. And now all of a sudden, in like just a couple of minutes before, it started raining heavily. And now we are going to make dinner. There is a very special food that we are going to make today, which is Mutton Karahi. Are we ready?
Yep, we are.
Let's go and check it out. So here we have our beautiful mutton. It's 1 kg of mutton that we have, and these are not so small but not so big bones as well. So guys, after having your meat ready, we have put our non-stick pan on the stove, and here you can see that first we are going to add some oil.
Okay, so guys, we have cooked it on a relatively high heat, medium high flame for around 10 minutes, and now as you can see that it has started changing color. So now we'll put 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we'll mix it well for around 3 to 4 minutes, and after that we'll show you again how it looks like.
So guys, after you see that the chicken has changed its color completely, we added the ginger and garlic paste, and now we have added the tomato. You might see that there is only 1 tomato.
So as it turns out, we forgot to buy tomatoes because I thought I have 4. So actually in this recipe you need 4 tomatoes. You cut them in half and you put them just like this. But because we don't have tomatoes enough, what we'll do is we'll make it in yogurt.
That's the way. I mean,
yeah.
No stress, but we'll make it and we'll show you how beautiful it will look at the end.
I'm sure it will still turn out good.
And the good thing is that now it will be a special one, and so it will be a very unique mutton karahi recipe. So let's see. So here we see that it has been almost 20 minutes since the mutton is cooking with only 1 tomato, but I can already see that it's smelling quite nice actually, and I can feel that it's going in the very right direction. So guys, you can see that the mutton has been cooking for the last 40 to 45 minutes, and it has been very tendered, very well cooked, and now it's time to add spices.
I'll actually show you.
Yes, so let's see if you see
this is
how
soft.
yes, it's completely cooked inside out actually.
Yeah.
Look how nice it is. Here now is the time you also see that the water is getting dried, and now we will add the spices, and then we will cook it until the oil gets separate, and it will be ready. guys, now it's time to add spices. First we have salt.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon salt, a little more.
A
Maybe
little more,
because-
or up to your taste.
Yeah.
Salt. Then we are going to use, I think, black pepper as our main chili, right?
Yeah.
So here we have black pepper, 1
1
teaspoon.
Yeah. Then we have coriander powder.
Coriander powder, also
1
almost
teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Look how amazing and nice the mutton and all these curry looks. Then we have the
Just a little
crushed
bit of
chili.
crushed chili, just for a sort of a flavor. It's basically cooked in black pepper, but this is just a little to add this flavor that is specific to crushed red chili. It also feels very nice inside this.
And that's it.
Yeah.
And then we have the green chilies as we
Okay.
can see here.
5 green chilies slit in between, so slit in the half in the middle, and then we'll mix it.
And now we have to keep stirring the mutton so that we let it cook and simmer at the same time until the oil gets separate.
Yeah, so in our language we call it bhunai. So what we're doing is bhunai of the ghost, and we do it on a medium high flame until the most of the water here dries, because in karahi, what we are making, mutton karahi, the water is supposed to be dried and it's supposed to be very thick masala in the end.
Yes.
And if you can see here, the mutton is coming off of the
Yes. So you
the
see it's
bone,
perfectly cooked.
which means that it's cooked very delicious, very tender, and it's gonna melt in your mouth perfectly.
So guys, you can see the oil is now very much separate from the spices and the mutton, and at this final stage we will add the fresh coriander just as for garnishing, and the dish is ready to be eaten. Let's do it, baby. Look how nice, beautiful, and this is exactly what you can find in very fine dining restaurants if you ever had an experience to eat mutton karahi. Ooh la la. And this is our final spice, which is known as Kasuri Methi, which you just add at the end, very end, and it just gives a very nice aroma and taste to the whole dish. You can actually use it with many other dishes as well, and it's just amazing. Look how nice everything is blended and mixed. The oil separates, the mutton is tender, fully cooked. There is a little bit of gravy or masala, and you serve it with naan, or you serve it with roti or chapati.
So guys, we are ready to give it a try.
Product, it's here after a chunk of effort. Looks
Yeah.
delicious, amazing. It's time to try.
Let's go.
Let's go.
See how the mutton comes off.
Yes, I think
That's always a good sign. It means it's cooked perfectly.
I see. Very nice. I think it's perfect blend. The spices they are greatly immersed in the mutton. There is a taste
Perfect.
of oil as well. The oil is separate. You can feel the taste of everything. It's just amazing. I have no words to describe.
Yeah.
You must try this. Do let us know if you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe the channel, and stay up to date. We'll come very soon with a very nice next delicious recipe.
See you until then.
Ciao.
Bye. चलो जाओ बंद करो उसको.
अच्छी है यार.
बंद कर.
नहीं खाया ना मैंने.
ओ मामा.